Deck the halls with red Gobbo surprise. La 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 la. Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Warhammer Commemorative series, the Red Gobbo Surprise. Yes, very, very cool. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending a review copy of this model. Big thank you to all my patrons for their support and continued support. And of course, everybody here on YouTube, big thank you to all of you clicking that membership button. Big thank yous to you all. So, the Red Gobbo Surprise. We're looking at one Citadel miniature. This is the Warhammer Commemorative series. This is, for everybody not familiar, this is just models that are one-offs. They're special interest as far as like Christmas or, whatever kind of themes they're playing with. And of course, you also get these models in the Warhammer Plus, like when you pick your annual miniature as well. So it's very, very cool. A lot of fun. It is a very fun looking little model. And yeah, look at that. He's just a little Gobbo and he's standing up on top of the chimney. He's got his little bag of surprise. This picture here is a 1-to-1 of the model. It is a fun little miniature. And yeah, you know what? I'm thinking that old Chris is probably gonna have to paint this up before Christmas. As recording of this video, there is no snow on the ground. So, I'm gonna have to wait for that, I guess. I'm just gonna have to wait to get into the Christmas spirit, I suppose. But otherwise, yeah, let's dive in. Let's get out the trusty, rusty blade of destiny here. And let's cut in. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. And, we probably will have a little bit of a sniffer. Oh, you know what? You know what we should do? We should probably come in for a closer sniff or a closer sound here. Let's get some ASMR going. All right, we ready? Ready? Oh, yeah, that was a good one. That was a good one. Let's do another one. Yeah, me likey. All right, let's get this out of here. Dive in, dive. Get in. Yeah. All right, so let's have a look inside the box and let's see what we're dealing with here. If I can ever get this box open, which apparently I'm not. It is a small, sized box. Has the little plastic tray instruction guide for the model. Let's have a look. The Red Gobbo Surprise. Looks to be pretty straightforward. Base is looks like 4 parts for that chimney. The Gobbo himself looks pretty straightforward. No options, it does not look like, but I really would not expect any options with a character piece like this. Yeah, and no rules because I don't know. There's no rules at Christmas time, I guess. I don't know. And then, of course, we're left with the model and the miniature inside of this plastic tray. And yeah, you know what? Let's come in. This is a 40 mil base. Is it a 40 mil? What size base? It is a 40 mil base. So this is a 40 mil base for everybody wondering. And you know what? Let's come in for a closer look. And you know what? We'll probably have to have a little sniff. See what this little Gobbo smells like. All right. So here we have the entirety of the frame, and we're looking at from the upper left over is the part of the chimney with the little icicles, the little Christmas satchel full of the little gifts for all the little boys and girls. And a little Gobbo head. Let's have a look at this little Gobbo head. Yeah, look at that. Pretty darn cool. It's such a fun looking little model. More details on the base. Yeah, I enjoy this a lot. This is really cool. And it's just a fun little miniature. And it's just one of those things that you can just assemble, put together, and it's a keepsake. It's almost Wargamer decor because you get this put together and next year he's part of your Christmas decorations that go out on your entertainment units, you're around your display. Heck, even anybody who's really clever, slap this into, one of them Christmas ball ornament things, and you know what? You got yourself a brand new Christmas ornament. So, yeah. Heck, you do that a few times a year, and you know what? You probably have enough ornaments for your tree to do a fully on wargaming themed tree. For everybody out there who does Christmas. Everybody else out there is like, Christmas, what's that? What's a red Gobbo? Oh, you know what we gotta do? We gotta do the sniff test. Smells like gingerbread. Yeah, that's kind of what I was expecting from this little feller. All right, let's get back to the rest of the video. That's our look at the Red Gobbo Surprise, the commemorative miniatures for Warhammer. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending a review copy of this model. Big thank you to my patrons for their support and all your continued support. And of course, everybody here on the YouTubes, big thank you for all of you clicking that membership as well. If you're not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, all help the channel as well. And all it takes is a couple clicks of a button and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing or useless review. Maybe a painting tutorial, maybe even a live stream, maybe a battle report, maybe... Oh no, that's it. That's all I do. Okay, bye.